Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on Mineral Security Partnership MSP and PEC Silica. Statement 1 says MSP and PEC Silica are both US-led multilateral initiative. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says India is a member of both the initiative. This is an incorrect statement as India is member of MSP but not PEC Silica. Statement 3 says both MSP and PEC Silica seeks to reduce strategic dependence on China-dominated supply chain in critical and emerging technology sector. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding biosafety level 4 laboratory. Statement 1 says it will be India's first BSL-4 laboratory fully funded and controlled by state government. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the laboratory will function under the Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it will be India's first civilian BSL-4 laboratory for research on deadly pathogens. This is an incorrect statement as this will not be the first. There are other laboratories as such. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding the global ice vault. Statement 1 says the ice vault has been established in Antarctica to preserve ice core under stable sub-zero temperature. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says ice core contain trapped atmospheric components that help reconstruct Earth's past climate. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the initiative aims to prevent glacier melting by relocating ice core to polar region. This is a correct statement as its initiative aims to prevent ice core from further studies before it disappears. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding carbon credit. Statement 1 says a carbon credit represents 1 ton of carbon dioxide reduced, avoided and removed from the atmosphere. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says carbon credit can be traded only in compliance market mandated by international climate agreement. This is an incorrect statement as it can also be traded in voluntary market. Statement 3 says carbon credit may be purchased by companies to meet emission reduction or as a part of voluntary commitment. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question. The fifth and final question is regarding Kashi Tamil Sangamam. Statement 1 says it aims to celebrate the cultural and civilizational link between Tamil Nadu and Kashi. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the first edition of the Kashi Tamil Sangamam took place in 2022. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the fourth edition of the Sangamam will be held in February 2026. This is an incorrect statement as it was already held in December 2025. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. That's all for today and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.